Hello, hello. Hi. I know we're running behind. Thank you for the hearts. I know we're running behind. I was trying to get on. Uh, get a few more people over. Okay. Is Pam done? Did she finish up? Okay, she did finish up. Hmm. Okay, I only have a few minutes and everybody's running behind schedule. I wonder where everybody is. I don't know. Is it coming through? It looks like it is. Okay. Hello, my name is Pamela. I am a tax advisor for new solopreneurs. I help them get their finances straight. I wanted to wait until a few more people came in, but we're behind schedule, and I want to keep everybody on schedule. So thank you so much. Let's see. And even when I came on, my other phone it froze on me, so I had to start my broadcast late also. But I am a tax advisor. I help solopreneurs get their finances in order. Solopreneurs being freelancers and independent contractors, self-employed. I focus on them from beginning to end, and I don't recommend that for anybody. It's just a one-stop shop from bookkeeping to tax prep and then managerial accounting. And that's really what I want to talk about with that managerial accounting. Last week, I saw a post about Alyssa Milano, the one from Charmed and everything. She filed a lawsuit against her business manager saying that he defrauded her. This morning, yesterday, this whole week, I've been getting emails about Tim Duncan, the basketball player. They finally settled his case. The business manager, was he a business manager? Financial advisor was sentenced to 4 years. That just came through today, and he was crying, like he was literally crying in the courtroom. And so that's what I want to talk to people about. You are starting a business, and you have people in place to manage your funds. And with these two, and even when I was looking at Alyssa Milano, 2 other cases came up with Johnny Depp and Alanis Morissette. So they've been defrauded by their financial advisor also. And so here you are. Here we are. We have millionaires that are being defrauded, and these are people I wouldn't think this would happen to because they know better. They make enough money. I would think they know better. I'm sorry, and they may not. But if you read more into it, these are people that they trusted. So they've built a relationship with someone to handle their money. And so putting that on a small business scale, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, who's managing your money? Who do you have looking at this? And what came to mind for me was, to make it more relatable, you have, every year you got that family picnic, and there's always somebody that's going to say, I don't eat everybody potato salad, but here you are letting anybody manage your money. And just because they can add and subtract, you think that they can manage your finances. Here we are, the end of June. That's the first half of the year gone. So this would be a great time to get all of that looked at. If you have, I know people that have, you have your accountant, you have a bookkeeper, you have a CPA, you have a tax preparer. And sometimes they play multiple roles. Your tax preparer may also be your bookkeeper, or your CPA may also be your tax preparer, and that's fine. If you have one person that handles multiple aspects of it, that's fine. But don't have one person handling all aspects of it. Just don't do that for that very reason. You think that you don't make enough money to have somebody take advantage of you? This is you have your, I don't know, your your cousin or somebody, just because they know how to add and subtract, they are managing your money for you. These celebrities that I mentioned, they are being taken advantage of by people who have known them for years. And if you think that is an anomaly or whatnot, it's not, because it's happened multiple times. Like I said, I was looking up Alyssa Milano, and then I saw Johnny Depp and Alanis Morissette. So it's happened before, and it's going to continue to happen, because you're building relationships with people that cannot be trusted. It looks like. So if you have somebody managing your books, have somebody to double check every so often. Meet with your financial advisor and I recommend this for anybody, even if you don't have your own business. Meet with your tax preparer more than once a year. There is something that could happen throughout the year that could impact your tax situation. You change jobs. If you change jobs, that means you may need to have, you may have to update your W-4 form so that you can have more money withheld from your paycheck. So don't wait until it's time to file taxes to meet with your tax preparer. Your tax preparer could also serve multiple roles. If you have if you're a Schedule C filer, and you're a Schedule C filer and you go to file your taxes, there are certain things that could happen throughout the year. Certain things that you purchase may have a major impact on your business. So meet with your financial advisor. I'm going to use financial advisor as a broad term. So that's your CPA, your bookkeeper, your tax preparer, whatever it may be. Meet with them on a regular basis. If you pay quarterly taxes, meet with them once a quarter. If you are starting out, meet with them once a month. If you know absolutely nothing, if you know absolutely nothing about finances and tax, you may need to meet with them once a year if you are trying to build a business, because you want everything that you do. There's one program that I use. I did not know this until I started using this program. There is a way, I'm going to give this one away. If you are self-employed and you hire your children to work for you, if you pay your children to work for you and you set them up on a medical plan, medical insurance, you put them on your medical insurance for the business, and your child goes off and gets braces, you can write those braces off as a business expense. So there are people out there that can tell you those types of things. So don't just listen to somebody because they know how to add and subtract. They know how that you have income and you have expenses. And so with that mid-year review, talk with somebody about your income and expenses. It's a starting point. They're relative. You have QuickBooks, you have Xero, you have Sage, you have Peachtree. Even if you manage your expenses in Excel, that's just income and expenses. Not what you can do with it, not what you should do with it, not forecasting, not financial statements. It's just there. And so you go over that information with somebody on a regular basis. Mid-year review, we're in June now. Let's see. I want to go over personal versus business return. This goes back to knowing about your business and how you handle that. One example I read about, somebody was looking for a new bookkeeper. They had a CPA, they had a tax preparer, they just needed a bookkeeper. So in the initial interview, the bookkeeper asked, is this what type of business do you have? And he said it's an LLC. And he files it on his personal return. It's a 1040 with a Schedule C. And so when the bookkeeper got in contact with his CPA, the CPA told the bookkeeper he's actually an S Corp and it's a completely different tax form. So at least know enough about your business that you can answer the basic questions, even if you don't know everything about it. With Tim Duncan and Alyssa Milano, Johnny Depp. At least know what's going on in your business. I am going to, start wrapping this up. I didn't get a chance to cover everything. I didn't even do my, thank you, 2 minutes. I didn't even do my intro correctly. So, Black Periscope, thank you so much, Pam Adia. And Christine, thank you so much. Promoting black businesses. With that, I am going to offer a special on financial reports, not just what it is that you do, not just income and expenses, what it is that you do and can do with your money, forecasting, financial statements, KPIs. What is key performance indicators? I'm sorry. What is it that, what is it about your business is an indicator that it is actually performing well? So with that, let's see. If you need help with, or if you want just some statements, that is what I am offering today. You just want some reports to hand off to your financial advisor so that they can go over these things with you. Forecasting. What is making you money? Most people don't know what it is that's making them money. You can go out and make, I don't know anything about makeup. You make a lip gloss and a lipstick. The lipstick costs more, but you're actually making money off of the lip gloss. What's making you money? And some people just don't know that. You have to, and I got that example yesterday. I was reading something. So it was just an example. If it's a bakery, what are you making money off of? Is it the cakes that cost $200, or is it the $1 cupcakes that you sell every day? How do you know what's making you money? So with that in mind, if you'd like to schedule an appointment for 3 types of reports on how you can manage your finances and what's going on in your business, schedule an appointment at bit.ly PMMBA tax appointment, and the code is BBS 2017. So this is about getting your reports, your financial ratios. It's more than just income and expenses. It's more than just having a profit. Sure, you have a profit, but are you really growing your business? I guess that's it. Okay, Michelle Garrett, let me see. The Diva 2 collection is next up on Black's Periscope, and she should be coming on any minute now. Okay, thanks Michelle for the reminder. So that's what I have to offer. You get 3 reports that you can take to your financial advisor on managing your money. This is what's going on in your business. And if you have any questions, it'll give you questions to raise to your financial advisor and how to address those things and what's going on with your business. So let me know when she goes live. Until then, I can go over a couple of things. And these reports will give you 30-day access. You will have 30 days access to those reports. It's for the report only, based on the information given. So once I give you the report, you take it off to your financial advisor if you want to. This is a small print. So if you want to go over any of that information. She's live now. Okay, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I will follow up with you later. Thank you.